Hello, I'm Dr. Chris Ho, and today we are going to learn English using a real story from Australia. If you haven't heard it, look for it. It's all over the news. It's the Mushroom Woman. It's a mystery about food, family, and something that can be very dangerous. We'll start with a short, true story. Then I'll teach you 5 useful words from it, step by step. Let's go. So, this story happened in Australia. The court case, the legal case, is still going on. A woman named Erin made lunch for her family. She cooked beef Wellington, a dish with meat, pastry, and sometimes mushrooms. After lunch, 3 people got very sick. Later, they died. The police began to investigate. The police suspect that the mushrooms were poisonous. They think Aaron may have served mushrooms that are not safe to eat. The police are still looking for answers. Aaron claimed that she bought the mushrooms from an Asian store nearby and also picked some from the forest. But people don't know if that is true. There was a suspicion because Aaron did not get sick, but the others did. The beef Wellington was made with leftovers from the day before. The police also tried to understand Aaron's intention. Did she plan to hurt people? Or was it a mistake? Right now, we don't know. This story continues, and in the next episode, we'll discover more. But for now, let's learn 5 useful words from the story. These are suspect, suspicion, claim, leftovers, and intention. Suspect. From the story, police suspect Aaron of using poisonous mushrooms. That means that the police think that she may have done something wrong. They suspect her. Another example might be I suspect, I believe, I think, I suspect my neighbor took my parcel. I saw him near my door the other day. So try saying this. I suspect something is wrong. I suspect something is wrong. Another sentence. The police suspect the driver. The police suspect the driver. Now, the second word, suspicion. It relates to suspect, but it's a feeling, it's a noun, it's a thing, it's a feeling that something is not right. So, from the story, there was a suspicion because Aaron didn't get sick. So, another example, there is some suspicion about how he got the test answers. He got 100% for his exam. I'm suspicious about that. There is some suspicion. Try saying, I've a suspicion he's lying. I've a suspicion he's lying. There was a lot of suspicion at work. So there was a lot of feeling that something wasn't right at work. I feel that he's lying. There's something not right. I have a suspicion. That's how you use the word. Claim. To claim means to say something is true, but we don't know if it is. To claim means to say something is true when we don't really know if it is. So, from the story, Erin claimed she got the mushrooms from a store. So she said she got it from a store, but we don't really know if that's true. Another example, he claimed he saw a UFO, but no one believed him. He claimed he saw, but no one believed him. So he said he saw, but that may not be true. So that's why people did not believe him. Okay, try saying these examples. She claimed it was an accident. She says it was an accident, but perhaps it might not be. She claimed it was an accident. He claimed he didn't know. So he says he didn't know, but he may have known. He claimed he didn't. Now, leftovers. 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 So this is a combination of two words, left, overs. So leftovers together is one word, and it means the food from an earlier meal that you haven't finished. So from the story, we hear that the beef Wellington was leftovers from the day before. So you didn't finish it, so it's a leftover. Another example, we had pizza leftovers for breakfast. So we had pizza for dinner last night, but we had some leftovers. There was too much, so there was some leftovers. And so we had it for breakfast this morning. We had pizza leftovers for breakfast. Try saying it. Do we have any leftovers? Do we have any leftovers? I brought leftovers to work. So this is very common. I do that too. Whatever I did not finish last night, whatever I did not finish for dinner the night before, I often bring to work. So these are leftovers. Intention, our last word for now. Intention means that someone wants to do. From the story, it was not clear what her intention was. We don't know what she wanted to do. Did she want to kill them? Or was it a mistake? She claims it was a mistake. She claims she didn't know. So we are not clear as to what her intention was. So here is another example. My intention is to help you with your English, meaning I want to help you with your English. So my intention is to help. Now try saying it. What is your intention? What is your intention listening to this video? So if you're listening to this video, I believe that your intention is to learn and improve your English. That is your intention. That is what you want to do. Next sentence. She had good intentions. So she wanted to do good. So she had good intentions. Just a short sentence. Let's say the 5 words again: suspect, suspicion, claim, leftovers, and intention. Say them in your own sentence. Pause and think a little. So, this story is real. It is also serious. But it helps us to learn real English words that people use in life, in news, and movies. So, the Australian mushroom woman story is all over the news. Just search it on the internet, and you'll find it very soon. Thanks for joining me in this A2 English lesson. In the next video, we'll continue with the story. We'll go deeper with more difficult grammar and meaning, and you'll find out more about this mystery. Please click like, leave me a comment, and subscribe. Support me in this channel. It's a new young channel. Let me know which word was most useful today or the hardest, and I'll see you next time.